Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to make a quick video on how to show you how to do your SSH connection from your EC2 instance to your MobaXterm, which is an SSH client. So you want to do an SSH connection, how to do that connection. So this is your MobaXterm, and so you want to do an SSH connection from an EC2 instance. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your EC2 instance. So I have a couple of instances running. So this is my EC2 instance is running. So I want to go onto that instance. So how to create an EC2 instance from your AWS account is another video. I'm going to show you that in another video. So what you do is to copy your public IP. This is your public IP right here. So I got it copied, and you go back to your MobaXterm. This is your MobaXterm. You want to go right here at the top right here to start a session. So I want to click right here. I'm starting a terminal, or I mean a session, a working session, and you want to select a new session. So I'll select a new session. This is right here, and I will select SSH because you want to do an SSH connection. So this is an SSH connection. So I'll go right here. I'll paste my public IP right here. This is it. And I will specify the username. There are two ways, because if you do not want to specify the username right now, it's still okay. But I always prefer to specify my username right here. So once I hit, I do connect to the key, to the pair key, automatically I can go ahead and do my connection right there and there. So right here from my EC2 instance, I'm not using an Ubuntu machine, I'm using an EC2 instance. So I'm going to type right here EC2 user. So I'm an EC2 user because I'm using an Amazon Linux 2. That's why I'm using an EC2. That's why I'm an EC2 user. If I was using an Ubuntu, if this is from where you're creating your EC2 instance. So if you're creating an instance, maybe if you created an instance and you select maybe an Ubuntu image, then you want to use an Ubuntu here as a user. But I actually selected an Amazon Linux 2 image. So I'll go right here, advanced SSH setting, and I want to use a pair key. So the pair key that I'm going to be selecting right here is the same pair key that I actually used when I was creating my instance. So I'll go right here, I'll search for my pair key from my system. I know where my pair key is exactly at, so I'm going to select my pair key. So if you obviously you should always make sure you keep your pair key saved somewhere where you can do this connection. So this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So the connection is connected, guys. So that's it. So I can go ahead and clear my screen right now, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and always make sure you turn back to this channel. Check out, always want to post new videos, and make your proposals. If there's any other way that you think it can be faster to do the connection, or maybe another option that you use, let us know, guys. Thanks for watching.